How to record Full HD videos on iPad. Just open your settings application. Then select camera from the left side. Okay, just select camera. Then select record video option. Okay, currently it is on 720p at 30 fps and select it to 180p HD at 30 fps. So my iPad is iPad 3, so it is only record 2 type of resolutions. But you have better iPad, you can record up to 8K or 4K. So that's, guys, in this way you can simply record Full HD videos at 30 fps on your iPad. So that's the settings and very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.